Yeah, move from a different position to different position.
But they want to go back to what they need.
No,
That all of them are going to suffer.
not all of them. Some of them are go back, but most of them are bringing new. I want to bring in new people.
Yeah. Some of them are going to go back to what they need.
I prefer everyone. On behalf of the two President Capital of Hungary, I will swear that I will faithfully and faithfully to the Constitution, that I will uphold and defend the Constitution and laws of the country, and I will conscientiously and impartially discharge my responsibilities of Jamaica. So help me God. Valerie Williams.
One.
Well, I don't can see what going on with people. I don't know.
I, Valerie Williams. Do solemnly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance that I will uphold and defend the Constitution and the laws of Jamaica, and that I will conscientiously and impartially discharge my responsibility to the people of Jamaica.
You're first one.
Donovan St. Ledger Williams.
Both of Anton.
I, Donovan St. Ledger Williams,
All the cabinet member them are sworn in and all. That's it. That's a go on.
that I will conscientiously and impartially discharge my responsibility to the people
I tell you something.
of Jamaica. So help me God.
Over the years, we can't have much money to build it. We're ready. And we want to have a hero circle. Yeah,
That is true.
Spend one money and build one big building. Every ministry upon that.
Parliamentary building.
Parliament, minister this, everything about
They call it, just call it Ministry Circle.
yeah, but I say you're swearing about the money in the parliament.
Yeah, see, man.
Yo, yeah, man. You're going to go like something. You're going to go like the money in the parliament.
I, and beautiful allegiance to Jamaica, and that I will uphold and defend the Constitution and law of Jamaica, and that I will conscientiously and impartially discharge my responsibility to the people of Jamaica.